Take it. Take it. There's only one sure way to get rid of hiccups. That is to drink a glass of water. Okay, so maybe there's two ways.